In this section, we are going to code the customer management module for our bookstore website. This module allows the admin to manage customer information of the website. Customers are the primary end users of the website. They could see the books, write reviews, and make purchases buy some books on the website. So this is the task list in this section. First, we need to code the customer DIO class that provides basic database related functionalities with unit tests, and then we implement the create customer feature and list customers feature and edit customer feature and delete customer feature. And now let's understand the requirement, user interface design, and technical design for this module. This is a customer management use case that describes the user's requirement for the customer management module in the backend. You see, the admin could manage customers